Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to view and download a payslip in the staff portal. It's simple. First part is viewing payslip. Begin by heading to the navigation menu and click on Finance. Then select Payroll to access your payment records. If you're looking for a specific payslip, use the search bar at the top. Enter keywords or filter by staff name and select a date range to quickly find what you need. Once you've set your filters, click Go to execute your search. If you'd like to start a new search or clear your current criteria, simply click the Reset button to remove all filters and begin fresh. Once you locate the payslip you want to view, click on the View Payslip icon next to the corresponding staff member's details. This will open the payslip for review. For offline access or record keeping, you can also download the payslip. Just click the Download as PDF button on the payslip display to save a copy to your device. Once downloaded, you'll now be able to view the downloaded payslip. And that's it! You now know how to view and download a payslip in the staff portal. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.